Julie. A fender bender. What happened? Hold on 1 second. This is Julie.
This is just one of the tons of telephone calls and emails and even more inquiries that HCDE's operation coordinator, Julie Carson, receives daily.
I mean, my phone starts ringing some mornings at 6:30. It doesn't stop until 5:30. I tell you that when I go home, I don't want to talk to anybody. I'm just like, no, I'm good. Phone calls? Nope, sorry, no. I basically take care of the building. I handle the maintenance and the custodial side. Treat it like it's my second home, because actually it probably is. It really is. I'm here a lot more than I am home.
As long as Julie's here, I know this building is going to be running great.
Another issue? Am I a problem solver? I try to. I try to help as much as I can. If I see issues, I try to fix it.
Julie credits her incredible team and maintenance staff.
I came in here and listened to them and worked with them, and they've taught me.
Julie is a third-generation Houstonian and grew up in the Lindale neighborhood, not too far from the Irvington building. She has grown twin sons and loves to bring her poker face to her Wednesday night card games.
Yes, I am a card shark. I have bluffed several people, okay? And I've won several times, and it's always a thrill when you win. You know, when you lose, not so much.
And it's Julie and her team that help to plan and facilitate some of HCDE's employee bonding events.
She's been a huge help. Those events absolutely would not have gone on without her help. She's always willing to step up, and she does it all with a big smile on her face. She's like this bank of information. She has everything. She's been with HCDE so long that she knows everything about everything, which is very helpful.
Seeing everybody smiling and laughing and having a great time, that's what means the most to me. And I say, I love my job. It makes me feel pretty awesome to know that I'm an instrumental part of the puzzle piece of HCDE, of being a part of facilities. I couldn't have asked to be in a better division.